everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on Bumble. In order to do this, you'll need to sign into your Bumble account on your web. Before starting, if you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now click open a web browser first and go to bumble.com. Make sure you're logged into your Bumble account, and once you are, go and click on your profile picture at the top left corner. The reason I'm doing this on my web browser is that you won't be able to find the location option with the Bumble application. Now, at the left hand side menu, click on Settings, scroll a bit down, and you'll be able to see a location option. Click it on and allow Bumble to know your location by clicking on Allow at the top left. Your location should be automatically determined by your internet browser. If your location is incorrect, click on the location and you'll need to go ahead and allow the permission for Bumble to access your location. Click the Allow button and your location will be updated to the latest city pinched by your browser. That is how you can change your location on Bumble quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.